Alrighty guys, Stanley showing you a drill wind-up of my new Model 7. Picked this up from Hixton yesterday. There's the top half of the housing over there. And here's the bottom half. Took this off so I could play around with the drill a little bit. And we're going to do a little drill wind-up. I have my fastest drill here, which is 2,500 RPM. And this is 3,400 RPM, so not going to get anywhere near it, but it's going to get loud. So I'm going to take a few practice shots at it. What about right there? Alright. Give you a little couple shots with it. Let's see what we can do here. Just lock it in like this and get it straight. It's pretty loud. So, not bad for a 7. So here is the breaker that I'd be getting hooked up to if it does run. This in total is 100 amps, but we shorted it down to 30. The tank, which is this air compressor, I just labeled it as tank when I was like 4 years old, and the second switch is the lights. Dad might be coming back here in a second. So that's 30 amps. Now there's 100, but we divided it off. Like this is the light. So yeah, that's the 7. Got this from Hixton the other day they have their little fucked up mounting bracket 130. And what I mean by fucked up is it's pretty shit install. But it works. And yeah, I straightened out the top housing, the top part of it, because it was really bent up. And even this is a little bent up, but I took a hammer and beat that back into place. So, yeah, that's cool. I'll show you what I can do with my hand. I can't even do it, obviously not as close. Alright, about there if you can still see it. Well, now this has the bit on it, the drill bit on it, so now I can't even really do it, but that's just with the drill bit on there. So, yeah, we gotta get this thing painted. I'm gonna paint the sandblast this and that. Paint it. Don't know if I'm going to paint this since this won't be exposed. And there's also there's a tag on here too, which Federal Signal's smart idea of screwing it in. Where is it on the? There it is. Seven and a half, 220, and then here is some more info. I can't really. I can zoom in. Camera's gonna die here in a second. You want to pause and read that? Yeah, 3,200 RPM. So, and that goes to 2,500. So that's pretty close, honestly. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out all my other videos. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.